Video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags in Weebly. Meta tags, specifically your meta title and meta description, tell search engines and social platforms what a page is about. They power the headline and the short blurb you see in search results. When these lines are clear and compelling, more people click through. The steps in Weebly are quick, and I'll guide you through them with practical tips so you can publish confidently and get your message in front of the right audience. Start by opening your Weebly editor. From your dashboard, select the site you want to edit so you're looking at the site canvas. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're in the correct one. Give the editor a moment to fully load so the main menu is responsive. Everything you need for this task lives inside this view. Now go to Settings, then click SEO. This is where Weebly centralizes search options for your site. You'll see fields for the meta title and the meta description. These do not change the visible headings on your page. They control how your site appears in search results and link previews. Think of the meta title as your search headline, and the meta description as a short pitch that convinces someone to click. Add your meta title and description. For the title, lead with the most important words and keep it focused. Around 50 to 60 characters helps avoid getting cut off. Include your brand or location only if it adds clarity. For the description, write 1 or 2 short sentences, roughly 150 to 160 characters, that summarize the value of the page in clear, natural language. Use action-oriented phrasing that matches what a searcher wants, like learn more or get a quote, and avoid keyword stuffing. Prioritize readability and accuracy so expectations match what visitors will find. If you're updating existing content, make sure the new tags align with the current page topic to reinforce relevance. When you're satisfied, click Save or Publish. Save keeps the changes inside the editor, while Publish pushes them live to your website. Search engines may take some time to recrawl your site, so you might not see the updated snippet everywhere right away. Do a quick proofread for typos, and read both lines aloud to check clarity and tone. That's it! Your Weebly meta tags are set, and you're ready to attract more qualified clicks with a cleaner, more compelling search presence.